Welcome. I am Lean. This channel is built around one simple idea. The fastest way to speak English naturally is not to study it, it is to repeat it. This method is called shadowing. You listen to a real English sentence. Then you say it out loud. Exactly as you heard it. Same words, same rhythm, same feeling. Today you will practice 28 essential sentences for ordering food at a restaurant. These sentences will help you feel confident when you sit down at a restaurant, talk to a server, ask questions about the menu, and make sure you get exactly what you want. Here is how it works. I will say each sentence, and you repeat after me. Every sentence comes 3 times. By the end of this video, you will have repeated each sentence 3 times, 84 repetitions total. That is not studying. That is building muscle memory. Ready? Let us begin. These first sentences help you start your meal, from arriving to getting your table. Repeat after me. Can I get a table for 2? Can I get a table for 2? Can I get a table for 2? Do you have a table by the window? Do you have a table by the window? Do you have a table by the window? Can we sit outside? Can we sit outside? Can we sit outside? We're ready to order. We're ready to order. We are ready to order. Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? What are today's specials? What are today's specials? What are today's specials? You just practiced 7 real sentences. These are the exact words you need when you walk into a restaurant. Short, clear, natural. That's how you build confidence. 1 sentence at a time. The following sentences can help you ask questions and understand what you're ordering. Repeat out loud. Does this come with rice or bread? Does this come with rice or bread? Does this come with rice or bread? Is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy? Is this dish spicy? Does this have nuts in it? Does this have nuts in it? Does this have nuts in it? I'm allergic to seafood. I'm allergic to seafood. I'm allergic to seafood. Can I have this without onions? Can I have this without onions? Can I have this without onions? Could you make it less spicy? Could you make it less spicy? Could you make it less spicy? I'll have the chicken salad, please. I'll have the chicken salad, please. I'll have the chicken salad, please. You're halfway there. 14 sentences down. 14 to go. You just learned how to ask the questions that matter. What comes with your food? What's in it? How to change it? This is real communication. Keep going. Now you will practice ordering drinks and handling your meal as it arrives. Say it with me. Can I have a glass of water, please? Can I have a glass of water, please? Can I have a glass of water, please? Could we get some more bread? Could we get some more bread? Could we get some more bread? I'll have a coffee with milk. I'll have a coffee with milk. I'll have a coffee with milk. Just tap water is fine. Just tap water is fine. Just tap water is fine. This looks great, thank you. This looks great, thank you. This looks great, thank you. Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered. Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered. Excuse me, this isn't what I ordered. Could I get some extra napkins? Could I get some extra napkins? Could I get some extra napkins? 21 sentences complete. Your voice is getting stronger with every block. These are not just words, they're tools, and you are learning how to use them. One more block. Let's finish this. These final sentences can help you finish your meal and pay the check. Let's practice together. This is really good. This is really good. This is really good. I'm full, I can't finish this. I'm full, I can't finish this. I am full, I can't finish this. Can I get a box to go? Can I get a box to go? Can I get a box to go? No dessert for me, thanks. No dessert for me, thanks. No dessert for me, thanks. Can we get the check, please? Can we get the check, please? Can we get the check, please? Is service included? Is service included? Is service included? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? You've just completed 28 sentences and 84 repetitions. That is not a small thing. Most people read about English. You just practiced it, out loud, with real phrases, the way fluent speakers actually talk. These sentences will serve you the next time you sit down at a restaurant, whether you're traveling, living abroad, or just ordering lunch in your own city. If this helped you, subscribe. A new practice video goes up every week. Each one a different real-life situation, same format, same method. Drop a comment below. Tell me what situation you want to practice next. Your suggestion becomes the next video. See you next time.